Hello, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. If you are looking for a recipe that combines intense flavor, creamy texture and an impressive presentation, you are in the right place. Today I will show you, step by step, how to prepare a simply irresistible cod with cream gratin. A traditional dish, sophisticated in the right measure, but that can, and should, be made right there in your kitchen, with simple ingredients and straightforward preparation, without complications. And it doesn't matter if you have never worked with cod in your life. From now on, I will guide you through each step clearly and safely, to ensure that your dish is impeccable from start to finish. And don't forget, the list of ingredients is in the video description. Start by soaking the cod if you are using the salted type. To do this, you should wash it well in running water and leave the cod submerged in a large bowl of cold water for 24 to 48 hours in the refrigerator, changing the water at least 3 times during this period. This process is essential to remove excess salt and ensure that the flavor of the dish is balanced. After this time, drain it well and shred the cod with your hands or with the help of a fork, removing bones and skin. You will need about 500 g of desalted and shredded cod. Set aside. While the cod is resting, take the opportunity to cook 3 large potatoes with their skins in boiling water with a little salt until they are soft but still firm. The ideal point is when a fork goes in easily, but does not fall apart. Once cooked, cut them into medium slices, about ½ centimeter thick. Set aside. Then, cut 2 medium onions into very thin slices and chop 3 cloves of garlic. Also set aside 500 milliliters of fresh cream, 200 g of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, black pepper and nutmeg to taste. If you are enjoying this recipe, please like, share this video and subscribe to the channel. With all the ingredients organized, it is time to start preparing. Heat a deep frying pan or medium saucepan over medium heat, add the olive oil and butter, and sauté the onions until they are golden brown and caramelized. This process can take about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. When they are soft and golden, add the minced garlic and sauté for 1 more minute, just enough to release the aroma. Then add the shredded cod and mix well, letting it cook for a few minutes until the flavors are incorporated. Adjust the salt, black pepper to taste, and a pinch of nutmeg, stirring constantly. Now it's time to add the fresh cream. Pour the 500 milliliters of cream into the pan and mix with the sautéed ingredients, keeping the heat low. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly, until it forms a smooth, slightly thick and very aromatic cream. At this point, turn off the heat. Once everything is ready, take a medium glass baking dish already greased with a little butter or olive oil. Make a layer of sliced potatoes on the bottom, covering the entire base. Then spread half of the cod cream on top, leveling it with a spatula or spoon. Make another layer of potatoes and finish with the rest of the cream. To finish, sprinkle a generous layer of grated Parmesan cheese on top. This cheese will brown in the oven, forming a golden and slightly crispy crust on top of the smooth cream. The contrast of textures is part of the charm of the dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden and bubbly. When this time comes, turn off the oven and let the cod rest for 5 minutes before serving. This helps to firm up the structure and makes it easier to cut and serve. When serving, serve with a fresh green salad, a good Portuguese olive oil, and if you want to complete the experience, a glass of chilled dry white wine. The result is a dish with a balance of flavors, a creamy texture and a perfect gratin, which impresses both in appearance and flavor. A true classic that will earn a permanent place in your recipe repertoire. Now it's up to you. Enjoy every detail and be amazed by the final result. Bon appetit! If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more incredible recipes like this one. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.